it, you can set hotkeys. You have a bunch of stuff over here. This is what I use. You can copy mine stuff. And that's it for now. Let's click OK. And we are basically ready to go. Now what we want to do is, first we have to create a scene, what we're going to show to our viewers, okay? So let's right click over here in the empty space, click add scene, and I'm going to call it tutorial scene. Okay, so now over here we have to add source, now that we have our scene. So basically our scenery is set. So what's our source? What are we going to show to our viewers? So I'm just gonna, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you guys the solitaire as I did in previous videos. So let me explain what you have to do. Open up the game. Please make sure you got the game open first. Then go to sources, right click add, and then go to game capture. And name your game capture thing, whatever it is. Click, I'm just gonna name it solitaire. And over here under application we select the solitaire. Make sure you click refresh if there's nothing on the list. Solitaire, okay. Okay, nothing's showing up yet. Now we click start streaming. You can also click preview stream if you want to. So as you can see, everything is black. This is a preview only. So let's first see what we have here. Over here we have our status bar. Basically it's telling us what's happening. This is how long we've been streaming. This is how many frames we dropped. That's basically, if you're dropping frames, that means you are lagging, okay? This is how many frames per second we have, and over here we have our internet speed. If this box is green, that means everything is okay. If it gets yellow, you should be careful, your internet is getting slower, and if it gets red, you're fucked. So make sure it stays green. So now we basically click on solitaire, and we wait, and it should show up on the screen. So you can see it just showed up. If I close it, it disappears, so I gotta open it again. If I open it up again, make sure you click on it, okay? So select it and wait a little bit. Make sure, play the game a little bit and it should show up here. Okay, let me show you guys with League of Legends, for example. Okay, so here we have League of Legends open. Now, with League of Legends, it's a little bit different. League of Legends has a client and it has a game, so you have two sources you gotta put in. So, let's remove solitaire, right click, remove. Yes. Now right click add, and we're gonna add game capture. We're gonna name it League of Legends LOL client. Hit OK. And now under here it says LOL client PvP client net, whatever. Refresh it if in case there's nothing here. Click OK. And let's preview the stream. I don't know why is this screwed up. So we gotta click on the client, okay? We gotta open up the client, and if we go back you should see it right there. Here it is. So hold on, let me see if I can show you somehow the screen. I can't really, that's terrible. But anyways, as you can see, it's working. See how the buttons are glowing, stuff is happening. That's the client. Now we have to add another source for the game. So let's right click, add source. Let's call it League of Legends game. And we're gonna right click here. We actually have to go into the game first. So let's click play. Okay, once we get into the game, simply Alt Tab to OBS. And make sure you have League of Legends game selected. Under sources, right click add game capture, name it League of Legends game, and make sure you select League of Legends refresh League of Legends TM client. Hit OK, and your game should automatically show up, as you can see right here. So let's make Rengar go like to mid lane. Hold on, Rengar, follow that shit, man. Alright, so as you can see, it's working. See, it's a little bit laggy when you preview it like this, but that's how it looks like. Okay, now let's start our stream. But since this is online game, League of Legends, as I said, we gotta go back to broadcast settings. I'm sorry, encoding, and we gotta take away 300. So hit OK, and now let's hit the stream button. So here we are streaming right now, guys. You can actually, I think I'll leave it on the Twitch so you can see it. So, as you can see, the button, this square right now is green. And I'm not sure if it's going to turn yellow, hopefully not. So, let's click again to make Rengar go like somewhere. Go Rengar, move your ass. And here we have it. Basically, we're streaming right now, we're playing the game. So, I'm going to leave the Twitch link of this Twitch that I'm streaming on right now, so you guys will be able to preview this stream. You can see the quality that's been, out there stuff. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's how you can stream with OBS. Make sure you always preview your stream before you do anything so you can see everything is working, okay? You can add a bunch of other stuff. You can add overlays, you can add ads, you can add like chat, you can everything, donations, whatever the hell happens, like everybody else is doing. Just make sure you Google it. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to rate the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. That's it guys, priest out.
Today I'm going to be teaching you how to record League of Legends like a pro. Well, more like a pro league YouTuber, not like an actual pro league player, because this won't increase your skill, but it will increase your recording skills. So I'm going to be showing you all my setup, how I record League of Legends, and Pimps and Players. We are about 30,000 subscribers away from 1 million, so if I can get here with these recording settings, then anybody else can get here with the same recording settings too. Pretty much, I'm going to be teaching you how to record in full 1080p HD with a webcam if you want, record sound, microphone sound, all at the same time, and it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything in this video, and no, this is not sponsored. Nothing in this video is sponsored. This is just how I've been recording League of Legends. I've been recording League videos for about 3 to 4 years, and I think I've been using this setup for about the past 1.5 years, and that's when my channel really started to kick off and really started to get big on YouTube over the past 1.5, 2 years. So, I mean, yeah, when I started using this setup, my video quality really did increase a lot. This is a great setup. Like I said, you're really lucky that it's completely free. There's a lot of other different recording softwares and shit that you can buy and you have to pay for. But honestly, me, I record every day, but I still use this free software because it's quite literally the best software I've used. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, first things first, as you can see, I am recording with OBS, Open Broadcaster Software. This is my recording software, and like I said, it is absolutely free. A lot of people use this to record League of Legends, and even more people use it to stream League of Legends. But today, I'm just going to be telling you how to record, because streaming is a lot more difficult to set up. With recording, it's actually super easy to set up. You just have to do a bunch of settings and then you're completely fine. It is so easy to use, and that's one of my favorite things about OBS. The fact that it is just so easy to use and so easy to adjust. You can add images, you can add overlays, HUDs, all that crap. Everything, and it is super easy to use. You can adjust everything. I love it. And in terms of recordings, like, I've never had a problem with a recording failing or anything, like once out of 2 years. Like, it is just so easy to use. It's like the difference between a Windows and a Mac. It is just easy to use, and it's available on Linux, Mac, and Windows. So anyway, first things first, to start off this guide, you are going to have to download OBS. So to download it, it's super easy. Just go to Google, type in OBS, literally 3 letters. The first one is here. This is their official website, Open Broadcaster Software Index. Now on this webpage, as you can see, get OBS Classic for Windows 7, 8, or 10. Or if you don't have Windows, you can get OBS Studio, which is also available on Linux and Mac and Windows. So Windows users, you can go for either one, and then Mac users. So it's available for everyone, which is the first thing about it, which is beautiful, you know? Most of the time, all the Mac users and Linux users, if even any of them exist, they'd be like, oh, yep, I'm fucked. This is not going to work on Mac. It does. It works on everything. It's beautiful. So click the download on that. There's no malware, no viruses. Don't worry about any of that shit. It's 100% legit. The file is very small as well, and you get the full file. It's not a trial or anything. You don't have to pay shit. That's the best part. Just download it and you freaking got it. So there we go. Get OBS. First step. Ta-da. By the way, I am recording my OBS with OBS. First things first, you open up OBS and it should look something similar to this. So at the top, it'll say like OBS, and you've got file settings, profiles, recording, all that shit. Here it says not streaming, which is the same as not recording because I'm not streaming right now on this OBS. Then here you've got a bunch of different scenes, sources, and all this shit. So first, let's just all slow down. Let's slow down. So first things first, I've been using OBS for 2 years. I've got a bunch of customized stuff. So in profiles, I've got different profiles for when Camilla's recording, for when I want to do a fast recording so it's a small file, when I don't want to use microphone, when I want to record with headset, recording without the headset, recording the stream with headphones or without headphones. There's different profiles. They're super easy to make, and normally with those profiles, all I change is just like if I'm using this microphone or another microphone, my headset or no headset. That's easy. Profiles are easy. And then the other thing we've got are scenes. So this one, for example, is the main one where I record League plus a webcam. Then this one is for recording web pages, for recording webcam only, for streaming these two, for recording the client, for recording a duo video with Lozo. So you can make a bunch of different scenes so you don't have to remake it every time. It's just like you can have a scene for Hearthstone, for GTA, for League. Because this is not just for recording League. You can record any game with this. You can record any video with this, which is great. But that's a bit more complicated and we'll get into that soon. For now, let's just start with the basics and slow it the fuck down. So I'm going to go into profiles and make a new profile, and we're going to call this tutorial because I want to be on the same level as you pimps and players. So now I have a new profile called tutorial, as you can see. Now disregard all these scenes and everything. I'm going to make a new scene. So to do that, all you have to do is right click on this box where it says scene anywhere. Just right click down here and then go add scene. We're going to call this tutorial scene. You can call it whatever you want. Tutorial scene, okay? So now you should have OBS open, you should have a scene that says something like tutorial scene or whatever, name it whatever, I don't care. And then your sources box next to it, this one here, should be completely empty. So this is how we add stuff. First thing you're gonna do is right click there, add, and you're gonna go for let's go monitor capture first. So this is a monitor capture. It captures the monitor. It will record your entire screen. Whether you're playing League, if you open up Google on it, it will record Google. It'll record anything that's on the monitor. So this is an easy first step. So choose your monitor. For example, I would be recording with monitor 2, the monitor in the middle. Choose the one that League of Legends is on. If you only have one monitor, then it's easy. Capture mouse cursor, leave that on. You want the cursor to be in the video. You want people to see where you're clicking. Everything else does not matter. None of this matters. This should all be the same as mine here. It should all be the same. And then you click OK. Bam, you have the monitor. It will now capture your monitor. So that is simple as hell. If you want to have a webcam, you go cursor, leave that on. You want the cursor to be in the video. You want people to see this will capture your everything else does not matter. So you none of this matters. This should all be the same as mine. Just call it webcam. Should all be the same. Confusion. And then you click OK. And then as you can see, device, I have a Logitech webcam attached to my computer, plugged into the USB. If you have it, it will recognize it. If you don't have one, as soon as you plug one in, just click refresh. It'll refresh this, and then you can choose
Hey everybody, SugarFeesum here with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a fix to an error on Android. The error is can't play this file or can't play this player, and I tap on this test1 video. I'm going to get this error which is can't play this file. So this is the error I'm going to talk about, and this is the same error for which I'll be giving you guys a fix to it. Alright, so here the first thing you need is this app. It's called as the MP4 Fix. You can get it for free from the Play Store. From the Play Store, and you get it. Which you need first, which is being capped. So another video. So first of all, and you'll see our device. So in our case, and select button over here. You just tap on it. Tap on select, and here the list of the other video record video, and start repairing that particular and form on your media, and you can play that video. Start over. That's it. This is how it works, and thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, and also don't forget to share. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Bye.